Hey, 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 Ojo, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Doctor, please don't. My child is dying. Doctor, my child is dying. Doctor,
Désolé madame, nous ne sommes pas une association caritative. Nous pourrons le traiter que si vous faites un dépôt de 50 000 madame.
Doctor, please help me. Please, doctor.
Madame, ici nous faisons du business. Nous travaillons. Si vous ne faites pas un dépôt de 50 000, nous ne pouvons rien faire pour lui madame.
Doctor, look at my boy. He's dying. Please help me.
Nous ne pouvons rien faire pour vous madame. Nous ne pouvons rien faire. Ne perdez pas notre temps. Nous ne pouvons rien faire.
Please. I need 50,000.
What for?
Ojong is in the hospital. The doctor said they cannot attend to him until I have made a deposit of 50,000. Tabo, please, you're my last hope.
Bese, where do you expect me to get that kind of money from? Why are you even carrying your children from hospital to hospital? Are roadside drugs finish?
Please. You know I lost my 5 children from roadside drugs. Please, I was advised never to use it.
I don't have money, Bese. I don't have money. I don't have anything to give you. I don't have anything. Bese, I want to ask you, why are you always carrying Obi on your back?
Oh, as if you don't know. Obi is not walking. It's been 3 years now. Even to sit is a problem.
I'm sorry, my sister. I forgot. Why? There's these people, this association, they came from the city. They have been moving around helping people from the village now. People are suffering from all kinds of diseases. They were here.
Where are they now?
They have gone back to the city. They even said they help protect the rights of the children.
City. You know, I don't have money to go to the city. Even somewhere to stay in the city, I don't know anybody. How can I... Oh,
Listen, don't bother. They said they're going to pass by. They have us at heart. That's what they said. They have us at heart. They'll pass by from time to time to check on us.
My case is emergency.
There's this thing they get me. Wait, let me check here. Association Aid Made. They get this thing. See, they even have their contact on it. See.
Call quickly. Ojong is there dying. Call quickly. Please call quickly. I can't wait. Call quickly, please. Call it, please. Ojong is dying in their house, please. Ojong. Call quickly now.
Call.
Hello?
I'm sure they'll come. Just wait. There they are. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Well, my name is Dr. Ashu, and this is my colleague here, Dr. Oben. Thank you very much. Madam, you can now tell us your story and what you want us to do for you.
I am a mother of 7. I lost my 5 children. It's really sad, but it's because I bought some roadside drugs for them and I thought they were sick. So I went and bought medicine without consultation. Doctor, I've heard that you people can help. Please help me because my other child is in the house dying. Ojong is there dying. Please, doctors, please.
Yes, madam. You don't need to worry. We can help you.
Thank you very much.
We do many other things as an association to sensitize the public on child's malnutrition.
How do you people go to all these communities? How do you people do it?
That one is very easy. We are an association, and as an association, we are stronger than individual.
You mean we do all this alone?
No, we are a team. And as a team, we also sensitize the communities on auto-medication and roadside medicine, which has destroyed the lives of many people. And that is what the government is against.
Doctor, that is how I lost my 5 children, because I bought the roadside medicine. Oh, what a pity. Thank you people very much for coming. Hi, Dr. Ashu, I am so happy. You have so put smiles on my face. Because my children are healthy once more and they are fine. All thanks to Association Aide Medicale.
Well, that is truly who we are.
Thank you people very much. I'm so happy.
You're welcome, madam.
So where are you people going from here?
But right now we have to be moving to the next village. You know, we are always on the move, even though we have our local antennas.
Wow. Bye-bye.
It's a great thing to meet one of the doctors of Association Aide Medicale, a health center that is doing a lot of work in the nation Cameroon. When Celebrates Entertainment went out to take some data on how the medical aspects of the Cameroon medical personnel are handling the issue of the health of the people of Cameroon, and we happen to meet one of our doctors here. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
Who are we talking to?
Dr. Samuel Idingele.
Okay, I'm told you're one of the best doctors in this place and you'll be doing a lot of work in the lives of the people. Are you satisfied with what you're doing here?
Of course.
Okay, so if we want to check on what you're doing here, is it a passion or something you just do it as a part-time or something?
First of all, my own job is a passion. Because I like to help people and then these people are going to have a good health. That is what is very important for us, to help the population, because a lot of disease, to help the people is poor, don't have the money to be treated by the loss.
All right, doctor, I understand that Cameroon is bilingual and it would not be wrong for me to speak in English and you speak in French.
Okay.
So please, you would speak in French while we speak in English, so that you can be able to tell the French population what you do in Douala.
Okay.
So what are your major challenges you have while trying to meet people, especially those who don't have money?
Le grand challenge que nous avons aujourd'hui, c'est de réduire d'abord le taux de mortalité dans la ville de Douala. Parce qu'il y a beaucoup qui sont malades et beaucoup qui n'ont pas de moyens pour aller à l'hôpital.
Okay.
Donc l'association Aide Médicale essaie de voir dans quelle mesure on peut apporter notre pierre à l'édifice, c'est-à-dire aider ces populations démunies qui n'ont pas de moyens et à retrouver la santé le plus rapidement possible.
Okay, that is so wonderful. That is so wonderful. So, are you sure a lot of people know that not what you do? Because I think if everyone knows that you're working here like that, the whole of the population will rush and come here.
C'est vrai que pour un départ, c'est difficile parce que beaucoup de gens ne savent pas. Mais pour ceux qui savent déjà, ils font ce qu'on appelle la communication à proximité.
Okay.
Ça veut dire qu'ils essaient d'informer aux autres qu'il y a une association aussi dénommée Aide Médicale qui vient comme ça aider les populations en détresse, notamment les enfants qui sont maltraités dans des familles et des enfants déplacés du Nazo, ça veut dire que du nord-ouest et du sud-ouest.
Okay, doctor, I understand you're a very busy man. For us not to take much of your time, because I saw you doing some activities and some work in your office. So I just want to ask you finally, what would you like to tell the population of Douala and maybe Cameroon? Because I know you people go to many places, you know, administering health issues.
Ce que je peux dire à la population du Cameroun, en particulier celle de Douala, parce que nous sommes à Douala, c'est qu'aujourd'hui, on a la chance d'avoir une association qui vient en aide à toutes ces couches sociales, c'est-à-dire ces enfants qui sont maltraités, ces enfants qui sont démunis, ces enfants qui n'ont pas d'apport, et de venir auprès de nous pour qu'on puisse trouver des solutions tout ensemble, pour qu'ils puissent avoir une réinsertion dans la société, et qu'ils puissent aller, comme tous les autres enfants, à leur occupation.
Okay, thank you very much, doctor. If anytime we need your attention, we'll come back to you to get more of you.
Ok, je vous en prie.
Thank you very much.
Merci.
Okay, again, we are here on Selling Praise Entertainment, and we went out again to meet one of the nurses of this Association Aide Médicale. Association Aide Médicale, and he has something to say. Good day, sir.
Bonjour,
Okay, so please, you just tell us your name.
je m'appelle Kaki Frank.
Oh, Kaki Frank. Good. We are happy to meet you today and to know the good works you people are doing in the city of Douala
Thank you.
and all over Cameroon. And I want to understand, you are here as what role do you play in this institution?
Ici, je suis infirmier.
Okay, a nurse. Oh, that's very great. So we see that this particular association is having so many nurses, doctors, and all that, putting their hands together to help a lot of people. Now, why do you choose to be a nurse in this association?
J'ai choisi d'être infirmier dans l'association parce que c'est d'abord un rêve d'enfant d'être infirmier.
Okay.
J'aime beaucoup m'occuper des gens. Et dans l'association, c'est encore un peu plus particulier parce que non seulement on s'occupe des personnes malades, mais on apporte notre soutien aussi aux personnes qui ne sont pas malades cliniquement,
Okay.
qui ont peut-être des maladies mentales,
Okay.
qui ont peut-être des problèmes dans leur famille,
Okay.
qui ont peut-être des problèmes dans leur foyer. Donc c'est pour ça que je choisis ce métier.
Oh, that's great. It means you people are doing a lot of great work. Now, I want to ask you, what are some of the challenges you face as a nurse while trying to attend to people, especially people who don't pay?
C'est vraiment très difficile. On est confronté à beaucoup de difficultés. Il y a des gens qui viennent, qui n'ont pas d'argent, qui viennent quand même prendre des soins et qui savent qu'ils ne vont pas payer. Il y a certains qui ont de l'argent, qui viennent, mais qui ne veulent pas payer.
You ne veulent pas payer.
Ils ne veulent pas
All right,
payer.
that's
Donc,
funny.
on a vraiment beaucoup de difficultés avec les patients. Beaucoup de difficultés.
Okay, so have you experienced any deaths so far? So maybe while you're trying to work with a child and the child died, or a patient so far?
Oui, plusieurs fois. Nous avons des cas où, comme vous dites, il y a des patients qui viennent, ils souffrent beaucoup. C'est de ça que vous parlez. Des gens qui viennent, ils souffrent avec des maladies vraiment compliquées et qui meurent.
Okay.
Donc on essaie d'apporter notre soutien à la famille,
Okay.
un soutien psychologique pour la famille, pour les parents. Et après, on vient nous voir de temps en temps.
Okay, I understand we just took you from the hospital where you're working to take care of people with money or without money. And so you're a very busy person. Just imagine that kind of a center, how a lot of people are coming every day, because at least if you don't have money, they'll be taking care of you. So now you just tell the public something about this association. What do you think is going to help a lot of people?
Ok. L'association Aide Médicale, pardon. L'association Aide Médicale, comme son nom l'indique, c'est une association qui porte secours aux personnes qui ont besoin d'aide médicale. Mais pas seulement sur le plan médical. Parce que la médecine a plusieurs volets. Pas seulement sur le plan des soins, mais aussi sur le plan comportemental, sur le plan psychologique. Dans l'association aide médicale, on s'occupe des personnes qui viennent en clinique avec des problèmes cliniques comme le paludisme, la diarrhée, typhoïde et tout. Mais beaucoup plus aussi des personnes qui ont des problèmes dans leur famille, des personnes qui ont des problèmes psychologiques, des enfants qui ont des problèmes à l'école, des enfants qui ont des problèmes avec leurs parents, avec leurs amis. Donc, c'est un peu ça, en gros, l'association aide médicale. Nous prenons soin de ces personnes, nous leur apportons un soutien psychologique et aussi, quand nous le pouvons, nous leur apportons un soutien clinique.
Okay. So is it for everybody or just for some people?
C'est beaucoup plus d'abord pour les enfants.
Okay.
Pour les enfants. Mais maintenant, on ne peut pas soutenir les enfants sans soutenir les parents.
Okay.
On ne peut pas soutenir les enfants qui vont à l'école sans parler à leurs enseignants.
Okay.
On ne peut pas soutenir les enfants sans parler à leurs frères. Donc c'est d'abord pour les enfants, maintenant c'est aussi pour tous ceux qui sont autour des enfants.
Thank you very much. I am very grateful that we had to talk to you today. If in future we have other things to talk about, we will meet you and we will talk about this particular association that is doing a great work in Douala and the surroundings. Thank you very much.